this is our day 2 here, but this is the first official day.
Because it's everything, everywhere. I see a lot of very, very old buildings in all Switzerland. Well, the most of Europe.
Castle, and she ordered, what did you order? Margarita, I think.
Margarita has a base.
I can pronounce it right. Stein Am Rhein. Did I correct? Did I pronounce? It's not the ordinary pesto pasta.
Yeah, this one also has.
Can I It's actually not an adventure, but we are on our way to. I never tried a leaf stuff at that time, but I'm pretty she's still to speak more. All the experiences are unique. Come join me on an exciting 9 days journey to my dream travel destination, Switzerland. Oh, we're gonna take a train. Hey, so you're in Madrid airport.
Finally.
Yeah, for our connecting flight.
Viaje más confortable, programa. Please spread yourself out among all people.
We are wearing too many layers. I feel like I'm a mascot.
Yours, it's the same size of Marina.
Yeah. Look at how many layers I'm wearing. Hold on.
Hold on.
So I'm wearing an inner sandal plus this sweater plus a blazer plus a thick jacket. So good luck to me if I can move freely. But hey, this is our day 2 here in Switzerland.
The first day. We are
first day of our trip.
Yes.
Yeah, but this is our second day.
Yeah.
But this is the first official day. Yeah.
Official day, yeah. Today we are going for our activities and our tours. So today we are going to see the Rhine Falls.
What's that?
Rhine Falls. The name's a little bit
It's hard to pronounce, but I will
Sorry for that.
put the label of the names on the screen.
Rhine.
Rhine.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay.
Rhine.
Look at how the autumn looks like here in Switzerland. Switzerland is like a living fairy tale. It is incredibly beautiful, with a majestic mountain scenery, breathtaking Alps, numerous lakes, scenic terrain, historical culture, traditional Swiss villages that it almost doesn't seem real. It is a country I have long wanted to visit, and I still cannot believe that I'm finally here. On to our first stop is the Castle Laufen at Rheinfall. Castle Laufen or Schloss Laufen is a 1,000-year-old castle located in the Swiss Canton of Zurich. It is a Swiss heritage site of national significance, overlooking the majestic view of Rhine Falls. In addition to the spectacular view, Schloss Laufen also offers a selection of restaurants and attractions. This makes the castle the perfect starting point to marvel at the Rhine Falls. No,
So there is Germany already on the other side.
Which one? That bridge?
It's already Germany.
That bridge is a German? Really?
This river comes all the way from Poland, passes through Germany until Switzerland. So in this area here, there is no fish because the current is too strong. So the only species they have here is eel. Eel. Because eel can go to land and get in again. Okay, so that's, you may find something, otherwise there's no fish.
Falls is the largest and the most powerful waterfall in Europe in terms of volume. Getting up close to it, you will feel the current and the vibration of the water over your entire body. And if you stick your arm out, you can literally touch the water. Are we getting any closer? No, we're good. We're good with that. And off to our next stop is Stein Am Rhein. Stein Am Rhein is a historic town and a municipality in the canton of Schaffhausen in Switzerland. It is famous for its well-preserved old town, featuring painted facades and half-timbered houses, for which it received the very first Walker Prize. So we are currently here at, what is the name of this restaurant? This one. Spaghetti.
You can.
I cannot pronounce it, but yeah. And I ordered the spaghetti pesto, and she ordered, what did you order?
Mafioso. Mine it's easy to pronounce. Mafioso.
Mafiosi, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like margarita, I think. Margarita
has a base.
Okay. But we are currently having lunch here at Stein Am Rhein. I will try to pronounce it right. Stein Am Rhein. Did I correct? Did I pronounce it right? Stein Am Rhein. Yeah. It's very beautiful here in this village. One of the nicest village here in Switzerland. That's it. Gonna put the tea. Are you in frame?
Can you change the
She cannot eat well because she's on camera.
I never ate pizza.
Yeah, it's not the ordinary pesto pasta.
Not really?
It's not the ordinary pesto. Something unique.
Yeah, this one also it has a
Can I try? You can cut me a, give me a slice.
The only problem is that
They don't cut it right, do they? They don't cut. I don't see a line.
no, they didn't cut. I am cutting. That is the problem. No, they didn't. I want to give you a proper one.
This one doesn't taste like the ordinary pesto. I cannot explain how it tastes, but it's subtle, which is good. Usually I don't like pesto because it has too much savory for me, but this one is subtle, so I really like it.
Good. I cannot cut better than
Yeah,
I'm right. See, Marina knows what is good because this kind of pizza you ate in the US? Never, ever.
Yeah, this pizza is good.
I will.
Hey guys! So we are off to another adventure. It's actually not an adventure, but we are on our way to buy some grocery stuff. And it's currently at 8 o'clock in the evening.
Compared to US.
It's so quiet here during winter, especially on Sundays, because they call it as a family day and most people are staying at home. You won't be able to see that much people outside, especially during the winter.
and Lourdes.
Yeah,
Outside.
only me and her. So see, it's so quiet and it's only 8 o'clock in the evening. One is enough? Yeah. You think?
I think maybe it's close to us, we can come.
Yeah.
Because we don't have a fridge to keep it at.
So what's it? Yeah, noodles. Do you eat noodles?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't understand this.
So because I know that they would like it.
Yeah, see? How can I understand this? I know that there's a Coca-Cola. Other than that, no, I don't understand.
It's a very light. At home I drink a lot this one.
It's not like...
It's not light?
Oh, it's good.
I'm
It tastes different. Yeah, I'll order one too. Excuse me. Can I have one more of this? Yeah.
Oh, it's good that it's also separated. See how much they are.
Yeah. So currently we are trying Bailey's. It's a coffee. What is
Liqueur.
Bailey's? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a coffee liqueur.
I never cheers. I never tried a liquor with coffee before, but it tastes really, really good. I'm not a coffee fan, and I'm not really drinking too much, also, but this one is good. Yeah.
You can also take one chocolate.
Oh my god, it tastes different. It's really good.
So I got my PhD in the drinks.
Yeah. And this one is just chocolate. Oh my god. Where is this one?
Hazelnut.
I don't understand. Most of the things here I don't understand, but all I know are these are really good. Oh my gosh, so good. I cannot explain how good they are, but they are really, really good. I drink occasionally, but most of the time when I'm drinking, she's the one who's picking my drinks.
Yeah, I like this one. It's very light.
Yeah,
It's very light.
it's weird, but it's good.
Some people drink without ice, but I prefer with
Yeah,
ice.
I like it with ice because the liquor is a bit strong. Oh my god, these are good combination. I feel like I'm in heaven.
Yeah, same here. In a storybook here. Do you feel the coffee taste a little bit or no?
More like the milk in it. It tastes like caramel for me.
No.
Have you tried caramel macchiato?
No.
It tastes like caramel macchiato.
No, maybe that one.
But it's good. It's different. It's weird, but it's good.